I need to think of more challenge ideas. Or no. Oh, I got it. What? Board games. It's not the most interesting thing, but something. Alright. What should I show you first? How about up? No, that takes too long. Yeah. Oh, I know. How about 5-second rule? It's easy, and we don't have to. Yes. Oh, yeah, that sounds really good. All these cats are bad. Yeah. Oh, I already know that book. Oh, you read it too? Yeah, can you see all the bad kitties? Yeah, I'm good. So, it's book games. Alright. Should we see? Yeah. So let's go. I'm done. Alright, just put back where then. Alright, let's. Okay. Should we see? Yeah, let's do like a 3-minute timer. Alright. We gotta figure we go out next. We just found out who we think we need to. It's gonna be difficult, but hopefully I lose once. Like, OMG. Can't believe they finally lost. Yeah. What if people on this team who's outnumbered? Yeah. Yeah, but hey. Here's the rest. We're gonna be voted out. Yeah, but hey, as long as we don't lose, and we hopefully don't. Sleeping your sound's gonna be. We got it right now. 5-second rule. Wait, next? Yeah, it's better than enough. Alright. We just. So, basically, play 5 rules. We get a card. You have this. You have 5 seconds to answer it. Whichever is on the card. The team with the least amount of cards is up for elimination. Well, that seems pretty easy. Alright. So get started. Alright, yeah. Alright, we have 3-minute timer. Peace. You got it. Alright, which team wants to go first? Also, you missed it there. He going to some gets it. Where's Dubsdale? Name 3 local highways. It doesn't matter which team gets it. Alright? You got it. Alright. Or name 3 I hope I already. What the fuck? Discard. Alright. Just alright, grab from discard. Alright, let's actually do. Alright, name 3 bridges. Alright, name 3 bridges. Oh, I got it. Going. Alright. We'll keep going back and forth. So, don't worry. Darren's gonna make good leftovers. Pizza, chicken, burger. You know what? Fine by me. Yeah! Alright. It did fall over, but you just say it. Alright. Name 3 cell phone companies. Oh. Cell, Apple, and Spirit. Wait, Samsung. You messed up, but hey, you still got it. Sweet. Oh, it's only for 6 minutes. I think we got this, guys. Yeah. If you hear some sitcom friends or being on a playground. Please don't please say that, right? Oh. Slide, ladders, monkey bars, and merry-go-round. Yeah. Yay! Oh, we need to grab. It's just alright, hey, this is fun. Yeah. Wait, we can use our, yeah, right? In 2 seconds, well, we will. Name 3 kinds of fish or name 3 cartoons. Okay, this should be easy. My Little Pony, SpongeBob, and Lighthouse. Wow, that was a. Are you serious? Alright. I just. Nope. Alright. Alright, dude. 26 minutes left. Name 3 banks or name 3 things you might find in a garden, find in the garage. Ooh. Trash can, cars, and shelves. There you go. If you can tell me your name, yeah, skip. Alright, yeah. Flowers, finding a medicine cabinet. Stealing a cartoon, pills, toothbrush, toothpaste. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna lie. You can't put anything in there. Anything cereals or cereals? Berry Punch, Cocoa Puffs, Fruit Loops. Alright. Any free characters on the TV show The Office? Just kidding. Oh, I got this. I just watched those story over and over. Did they have DVD release or something? Yeah. That's it's all nostalgia layer. Right now, Lucy, Soupy, and Charlie Brown. Wow, that's. I want to guess your favorite. No, it's Halloween. Oh boy. Like rumors left. Your favorite airline? Your famous painter? Airlines. Frontier, Spirit. Fuck. Alright. Anything else? Alright, yeah. No one gets that. Here we say goodbye. Types of cooking. Say goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Adios, amigos. See you again. Alright. Oh no, weren't they last? All players or SU. Yeah, no. Christmas Carol or Gods. They really did everything. Yeah. hysterical ships to party at home. Oh, I got it. Oh. The bug, whatever. Just home. Play your games, watch TV, and build Legos. Yeah. Brad always got this in it. So what do I need to do? You know what? Screw it. It's just like I think I'll stress. She was like a villain once. Hey, it was like 5 years ago. We don't need to talk about it. Nope. Trying to quote Days of Christmas. Oh, I remember watching this Angry 1 year ago. Alright. Berry pudding. Lemon lays and pear tree? Porridge. Porridge and a pear tree. Golden rings. Yeah. Honestly, I don't give it credit. To book a Florida universities. Yeah, we don't. Unknown kitchen utensils. It's just I will. Spoon, knife, toaster, toaster oven, toaster. You know what? It doesn't clarify, so whatever. So lose weight. Alright? Exercise, eat healthy, going to the gym. Did he? I know he did. It doesn't clear. Chick flick? Yeah, no. Ice cream flavors. Chocolate mint strawberry. Chocolate shake. Yes. Breakfast foods or breakfast foods. Pancake, French toast, eggs with butter, bread. What? Oh, we need to get more point cards. We have like 20 minutes left. I think we got this. Cheeses are professional. This ain't. Nope. He's going to, or we ran out of cards or like one hit wonders. Salad dressings? There's more than one? Just. Alright. Animals that can swim. Animals with stripes. Cats, tigers, Garfield. You're all cats. It does say, it doesn't say he's cartoon character, whatever. Michael Jackson. Oh. Thriller, Beat It, and Beat It. Come on. Well, maybe. Fluffy Annie? You know what? You just say whatever. Yes. Egglet. Yeah, alright. Chicken, hen, goose. They're all birds. Arrested? What the fuck? Non-primary colors. Yeah. Actually, I can delete look that shit up. Celebrity company types jackets. Oh, alright. Displacement. Activities. Ranks of the million. Summer outdoor activities. Swimming. Murder. Golfing. Just one murder? It's outside. It could be in during the summer. Damn it. It's dark. You know, at this point, I'm not surprised. Free Mexican. Okay, someone has to get that. Taco Bell, Visual Noches, Free Mexican number 3. Oh, I don't care. As long as you at least get something. Boy. Yeah. Just famous Henry's. Right below 99-cent store and Dollar Tree. Pepsi products. Ocean animals. Dolphins, whales, turtles. Rappers. Types of planes, alright. Helicopter, airplane, biplane. No, I don't care. What's going on helicopters is just a bulkier plane with propellers on the top instead of on the sides. And it's less seeing. Pixar movies. Cars, Cars 2, Cars 3, Toy Story 3, Toy Story 2. Wow, I'm on the surprised in their full catalog. It's like good to me at this point. Wow, that's... Brands of computers. Yeah. Flintstone characters. Book series. Star or something. Diamond Kid Garfield. The Boy with the Tiger. Honestly, we're just gonna. If they appear in the book, we're gonna count it. Percussion. Okay, no. Dice games. Yahtzee. Shoots and sticks of ladders. Brad. Please don't fuck this up. Yahtzee. Sticks and ladders. Left, right, something. You know what? Whatever. Pernino flap. 13 minutes. We'll count after. Things you can find at a circus. Clowns, elephants, audience, cars, flames. Nope, counts. Clowns. Pennywise scared people. Yeah. Card games. Bicycle rule. Uno. War. adventures, cookies, chocolate, heart shaped and sugar. Yeah. It's a famous William. Wilhelm scream? He had nothing. Very Dr. Seuss books or Dr. Seuss is. Cat in the Hat. Taco something. Damn it. We all raise you as children. I can't speak it much. What? These are the most. His friends. Pooh, Piglet, and Tigger. Tigger is just tiger, but it's differently. Lazy. It's a good. Poker hand ranks? There are poker. Is there one called Poker Face? No. What normal person call? The exercise equipment. Dumbbell, treadmill, weights. Yeah. I wonder who got that deal. Pork products. Maybe it's just shipping. Online. No. Yeah, going to just yourself and in store. Yeah, whatever. Unless you say something. Famous John. Arbuckle. Newspapers? Surrey couple breakups? What the wow, they really went to the old town on this. Didn't take a look at anything. Music genres or classic tale? Right? Stuff. Music genres. Pop rock music. Metal. Yeah. Oh no, I think we should grab more. It's a window treatment space that you can learn on your own. Animation, evaluating, golf. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Occasions to send a Hallmark card to extinct animals. Dodo. No, it's just something I don't think we could pick up like free, so. Honestly, I just want to say something. Cheek or bad. Please, love God, do not say we don't need that. It's obvious. Or not. Please brush your teeth and turn off your lights. Go to sleep. Brush your teeth. Eat dinner. Yeah. Oops. No. 3 brands of toilet paper. Holy crap! Only a red. Need many ironing. Shirts, pants, underwear. Whatever. Free cleaning supplies. Spray bottle, sponge, and a toothbrush. You can clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Interest every New Year's Eve. Watching TV, play video games, and staying with your friends. You can have it. Bride likes a party, baby. Summer jobs for high schoolers. The tape. Scotch ducked in heavy tape. TV show spin-off. Daytime. Yeah. Her chocolate. Cookies, lollipops, candy. Alright. So minutes that you would not want as a pet. Elephants, tigers, and bears. Oh my. If it's just 3 characters or say second border. Cookie Monster, Elbow, and Zoe. The only ass once someone says it, I don't care. It's crashing at work. Playing solitaire, doing your fucking job, and enough for me. What the hell are, you know, just saying like he's only sick. Or do they look this shit up? More games. Oh, we're not doing it. And Knock says alien board. What? Shoots and Liars, Yahtzee, and Monopoly? How do you unlock it there? 6 minutes. 3 things you will find in a skull locker. Backpack, pencil, eraser. Yeah, just say something. Between these handbrake airports. Host. Herbs? Weed. Damn, he said something. Your neighbors. Comics. Just say something you'll get. We're not going. Meal songs. Hello, submarine. The red foods. Steak, strawberry, tomato. Jesus Christ! Don't have to say like you're fucking dying. Cool toys. Water gun. Air tube. Ball. AC come here. Lottery. Doing a job and we have a faking injury. Yeah, we are not. Quite pissed off doing something today. Vegetables. Eggplant. Zucchini. Squash. Bell pepper. New York. Heart. Intestines. Brain. You know what? As long as I'm dying, I should not surprise it. Oh wait, just real. We're not from New York, but got 4 minutes left. Okay. Park rides. Horse carousel, Ferris wheel. Okay, that's all. Nope. Playboy? Son. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! Say something you'll get. What? Polite phrases. How are you doing? I don't. No. Let's go shopping. Backpack, binder, notebooks. 3 minutes. Coca-Cola products. Coke, Cherry Coke, Diet. Some saws. Saw, movie, buzzsaw, and handsaw. What? It's normal. McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell. Period, comma, question mark. Why are you at school? It just... Where's it go? Strawberry mint? Lemon? I mean... Horses. Disney movies. Pinocchio? Black Cauldron and... Dumbo. Oh, girlfriend, you likes you. Fiction authors. We're a minute left. Alright, this is the last one. Don't count. Of the Saved by the Bell. Supermodel. No, okay, we're done. Alright, we'll count all your cards and see who's up for elimination. All your cards have been counted, and here's the stars. In first place is Gracie. They got 25. In second place is Brad's team with 22. And sorry, and dead last, aka formation again, you guys only got 19. So pick you off and we'll get. Oh no. Votes have been counted. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, so 16. See who's getting out in 16. Both were ex Colts. Safe Far, Castawitch, and it's okay. You're both safe. Next one safe is Blue Cat. Wait, I went to bomb too? Nerp. What? I mean, I don't be mad, but why am I in the bomb too? Well, you're out. No. You've got fruits each. That means. Yep. We did just know to vote for, right? Remember, don't worry. I only can find someone, but hey. Well, no, let's call that. We'll just do a reroll. Okay, you wanna go? Yay! What? I don't want to get him a live. He's. We have cat sandwich. Shut up. Huh. Please be safe. I want to wow. Dad, try one for me. My last partner was but I found you. That makes me happy. Yay! Yep, you're out in 16th place. Bye. For a chance to rejoin. Oh, here you go. Oh, I think we should. Alright. Oh. Wait, don't you have a grade that can make me stronger? Oh. Yeah. Alright. No, I think you should play the cards. Alright. I'll spray you so it can make you stronger. Thank you. I'm tired of breaking so easily. Alright. Hope y'all stay tuned for episode. Goodbye.